Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Merushri Sunscape, which is located in IVC Road in North Bangalore, a project developed by Merushri Developers. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now, I'm standing in front of the marketing office of this project. So this is the marketing office, and now about the land parcel is just on my right hand side where the construction work is in progress, and this is the clubhouse which is getting ready. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So the project is spread across 5.39 acres of land parcel, consisting of total 76 villas, rising up to ground plus 1 and ground plus 2 floors, having exclusive 3 BHK and 4 BHK twin villas premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part of the project. So the project is located on IVC Road in North Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So this is the IVC Road and this road will connect you towards Sadahalli, and the opposite road will connect you towards NH44 in just few minutes. Now, just behind me, this is the main entrance of our project. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to NH44 in just 3 minutes from the project. Prestige Tech Cloud is just 10 minutes away from the project. Kampigouda International Airport 20 minutes away. Mall of Asia is again 20 minutes away from the location of the project. And even you can connect to upcoming Signature Business Park in just 5 minutes from the location. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project provides you 25 plus world-class amenities. Here's the Grand Clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like of banquet hall, co-working space, here's the swimming pool, kids play area, sitting pavilion, party lawn, walking track, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area of the project. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with 3 BHK and 4 BHK twin premium villas, where 3 BHK villa is of 2410 square feet. 4 BHK villa is starting from 3676 to 3850 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Merushri Sunscape, which is located on IVC Road in North Bangalore, a project developed by Merushri Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.